String lights can make nights spent outdoors that much more relaxing, festive, and summery. Even one simple strand can transform a backyard or patio or porch into something more like an outdoor living room or outdoor oasis, which ties in nicely with today's show. But why just stop with white twinkling lights? What about when it's Memorial Day or the 4th of July and you want red or blue? What if you're hosting a graduation party and you want to use the school colors? Or what if you want a little mood lighting to romance your sweetheart by the bonfire?
Ooh la la.
Well, this morning's New to Lou 2 can bring you all of these colors and feelings and moods at the touch of a button with only one strand. Feit's LED smart color-changing string lights will enhance any outdoor area with their tunable white color-changing bulbs that work with Alexa, Google Assistant, and the Feit mobile app. They let you easily turn lights on and off, dim, set groups and schedules with your smartphone, or control lighting with simple voice commands. Setup is simple with no special smart home hub required. The string light connects directly to your Wi-Fi at home and can be controlled from anywhere, provided you have access to a Wi-Fi or cellular network. Great lighting for gazebos, patios, pergolas, restaurants, porches. The 24-foot string lights have 10 light sockets, 3 watts each bulb, and includes 2 extra bulbs to keep around as a backup. They're built to withstand extreme temperatures and wet weather for year-round enjoyment. They retail for $89.99. They'll last you forever. So go on, set the mood, and enjoy your backyard a little more this summer. For more information, visit HouseSmartsRadio.com.
That's this week's New to Lou 2.